What's up, y'all? We're going on a canyon cruise today, and we got Christian. Woo! Alright guys, so we're going to Canyon Lake with a few buddies at work. So I'll go ahead and update y'all once we get there to the gas station where we're meeting up at. But yeah, so it's a beautiful day out here in Arizona right now. I have the windows rolled up just so I can talk to y'all. But thank you all for the support. If you haven't checked out the previous video already, it's going to be right over here, somewhere on Christian's head or something like that. And then again, if you guys want to see more Skyline content and all my video and editing work, just remember to hit subscribe down below, like the videos, and like I always say, you know, dream big and let's keep supporting each other. So I'll see you guys there. What's up guys, so we're here meeting up. I have Jeff here, you know, with that Corolla Hatch. I'll show you guys here in a second. And then we have Ryan with the Porsche over here. Thomas is Subaru. Let me go and show you guys what we're rolling with here today. So, you got Jeff's car. You got the Skyline. And then you got the Subaru. And then you have So we're gonna go ahead and go to the canyon. I'll go ahead and update y'all, you know, because Jeff's about to get all crazy. Super pumped. Yeah. Give this man a follow. Where's your Instagram at?
Thank you.
Where's it at?
Jeff_Major Game.
Right here on his shoulder, right there. Boom! Boom! Alright, let's go. Is that like a glitter? Then you got Jeff's Corolla. Yeah. You got the Porsche in the back. Oh. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Let's go have some fun today. This is sick. Beautiful car. Well, so we're here at our first stopping point, Canyon Lake. We always cool down the cars at this spot because, one, we just want to be safe, make sure the cars rest for a second. And then, you know, just let them breathe. So, this is the lineup. What's up, Thomas?
Hi.
What's up, Christian? What's up?
Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated. Thomas's new car. And then, of course, you got Ryan's car over here. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys are liking the clip so far. Arizona is beautiful. If you haven't been here already, come check it out. The car scene is amazing. You get to meet people like us and do all this stuff, you know. Thomas is already hungry. We're gonna go eat after this, but hey, yeah, this is awesome. As we made it down here to one of the stops, this is like the town. If you guys saw the previous video where we did the last canyon run with the Z, this is where we shot it, but the road's closed. It wasn't closed 2 weeks ago when I was here, but yeah, so we're gonna chill here and kind of hang out. Alright guys, so we're gonna head back up to we're gonna go eat now, essentially, but I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Just like usual, just hit subscribe down below, like this video, it'll help me out a lot. And there's Jeff.
Welcome to Beppo Bound, bro.
Yeah, so we're gonna head there now. I'll update y'all and we'll see you guys there.
Yep.
Alright guys, so this is the spot that we're gonna eat at. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Here's the lineup. One more time. That thing sounds amazing. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear it, but
love your car, man.
this thing is dope. But yeah, like I said down below, you know, subscribe right here, check out that previous video, hit like down below, it'll support me a lot. Love you guys, I'll see you on the next video.